In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products in Wix. We will go step by step through the built-in product import process, starting from your Wix dashboard and ending with mapping your spreadsheet so your products are added correctly. If you are moving multiple items into your store at once, this method can save a lot of time compared to entering each product manually. First, go to your Wix site's dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Store Products. This is where your existing products are managed. And it's also where Wix gives you the option to bring in new items using a CSV file. Once you are on the Store Products page, look to the top right corner and click the More Actions drop-down menu. From there, select Import. This opens the Product Import tool inside Wix. On the Import screen, click Download Template. Wix will download a CSV file for you. This template is important because it shows the exact format Wix expects, which helps reduce errors during the upload process. Open that CSV file on your computer using a spreadsheet program so you can edit the product information. Now update the spreadsheet with your product details. Make sure to fill in the field type and the product name. Under the Media section, add your media URL so Wix knows which product image or media file belongs to each item. Then update the price. The strike-through price, if you want to show a discounted comparison price, and the base unit if that applies to your products. You should also add the SKU for each item so your inventory can be tracked more easily and your products stay organized. As you edit, pay close attention to keeping the format consistent with the Wix template. That's especially helpful when working with pricing, media links, and product identifiers. When you've finished entering or updating the information, click Save and close the file. Then go back to Wix. Click Upload CSV or Continue if that option appears on your screen, and select the formatted file you just saved. Wix will begin reading the spreadsheet and preparing it for import. Next, you will need to map your fields. This means matching each column from your spreadsheet to the correct Wix product field shown on the screen. Take your time here and carefully confirm that each column lines up properly, because this determines how your products will appear in your store. Once everything is mapped correctly, finalize the import. That's it. Thanks for watching.